Morning drives with Chris. Let's get it. What's going on? This is your boy Chris Rod here, and today we're just going to be taking a little drive in the SN95 Cobra, and damn, that is a lot of people, dude. But check it out. I have not been on in quite some time. Fully aware of it. Mind you, I'm an idiot. Stupid! I gotta get to with it with the videos, man. I'm literally editing one as we speak. Not like right now, but I have one that I'm technically doing and editing at the moment. So we do have another Mustang video coming out pretty soon besides this particular POV and or me driving. I do have parts that came in. I've literally been on a little bit of a path per se. Just got another new job. Sounds pretty bad when I say it like that, another new job. But I got a new job, and hopefully this particular job is going to help me out with scheduling as far as recording and actually editing goes. I have more of a full day schedule and whatnot compared to the fluctuating that I had from the other one. So hopefully I'll be able to provide a whole lot more content for you guys in the upcoming future for the channel. And then, man, I have a whole bunch of parts that I'm ready to put into the car. I got a cold air intake I got to put in this car. And then I have a whole bunch of other sort of product reviews per se that I want to take care of. I mean, I still also do have a H-pipe, or technically it's an X. I recently got an X-pipe from Regal's Performance, and I'm actually really hyped to try and get that in and whatnot, but it's just going to take a little bit of time at the moment. Weather hasn't been the same for me and whatnot. The past literally like 3 weeks been the biggest pain in my life, and I really am not enjoying it. I'm really not enjoying it. This weather, it's been stupid. Literally the week that I had off, I had an entire week off, right? And for some reason within that week, it decides to rain. So I had no opportunity to actually record a video. It was the worst week of my life. It was literally the week before I started the new job. Whole week to myself, and I just didn't do it. I just didn't. Wasn't able to, man. It was the worst thing, man. I'm just like, I can't believe why this has to happen to me. First was with the previous job where I literally have Fridays off, and every single Friday I had off, literally, rain. It's weather. Connecticut weather sucks. It's terrible. My goodness, man. I don't understand why. I truly don't. Bro, look at these people, man. Instead of being normal, civilized people, to go to the crosswalk, let's cut across because I'm white. When it comes to the videos that are coming up, it's basically a video that has to do with the turn signal assembly. Because if you guys know from the previous videos of me doing POVs and whatnot, the actual assembly was not working properly. It would decide to work whenever it wants to. So it was really getting, you know, annoying. And I was tired of constantly not being able to do the right turn signal. Nah, but not for nothing though, man. I mean, I'm getting a lot of things compiled within parts, within doing things and whatnot. And it's pretty exciting to actually figure out how I'm gonna do all this. As far as cars go though, I've already mentioned about the X-pipe that I got. It was a Regal Performance X-pipe. I do officially have it. Just recently picked up some race ramps, which is nice, so I might do a product review on that. As far as Aspen goes, I got on the Aspen a speedometer cable, because I don't know if you guys ever seen the POV of me driving that car, which I probably should do one day, and just show what it is to drive an old school car. But the speedometer goes crazy when it comes to the needle on the dash, and as well, the car like just needs a mirror because it's not a big deal, but sometimes it is nice to have an extra mirror. I'm not gonna even lie. You guys also check it out. If you have any ideas that you would like me to do, as long as I have the money for it, I am so down to create. Like, I really do want to get into a better habit of creating more videos per se, man. I'm kind of sick of stupid schedules messing me up, and then the rainstorms and whatnot. It's really just getting annoying to me, dude. I'm really not liking it. Really not. So any certain particular ideas that you guys may have, go ahead and toss them my way. If you want, put it down in the comments below so I can really see and look and get some ideas of what I really want to do. But not what I want to do, but what you guys would like me to do to record. Maybe some Q&As, I don't know. Maybe you guys want to ask me about regrets I had with as far as getting any car that I've previously owned, you know, if I do have any. I don't know, man. If you guys want to get to know me a little more, I'll do a little video about me. It's all up to you guys, man. I'm extremely down. Yeah, this car needs to be louder, man. I gotta put that H-pipe in as soon as I can. This car just needs to be louder. It really needs to. You know, I'm pretty sure with the cold air intake and the X-pipe, this car should run a little bit nicer. I'm not gonna lie. I'm pretty sure I should probably feel that definite amount of horsepower. Whether it's like 5 to 10, I should feel it. And I'm pretty sure that'll feel pretty nice, I think. And it'll have a nice sound to it too. Oh my god, I'm game, dude. Just gotta get the time to actually do it and install the parts. Well guys, if I'm being honest with you, this is pretty much the video. I just wanted to get on here and apologize, really, to tell you guys. I'm sorry, dude. I'm really sorry. You know, I'm an idiot. I haven't been able to record as much as I wanted to. That week screwed me up, but car's still around, man. I'm still around. We got more content coming on the way. Still working on the video that I'm editing, so don't worry. I'm pretty sure the video, it should be fire, in my opinion. I think it's gonna be really good. Because something that I did, I'm kind of reverting back to what I did when I first started recording YouTube. So you guys are probably gonna see the, wait, hold on. So you guys might and or will probably see me use the GoPro some more for the POV action of me fixing particular parts on a car. Like, you might see that a bit more. That way you get a nice in-depth field or like field of view, like a nice good view of what I'm doing with my hands and all that. And obviously I explain exactly what I'm doing. So that should be good. With all that being said, guys, if you guys enjoyed this video in particular and you're excited to see what is to come to the channel, don't forget to leave a like. And on top of that, be sure to join the click by simply smashing the subscribe button and as well as ring that notification bell. And until then, it's when your boy Chris Rod, and see all you beautiful people in the next one. Peace.
Deja que ella te arrebate, pero no la maltrate. No es simplemente una mata. Préndele, dos cachas y sube para la nube.